Coming to the Lauderstein-Conway Massage School. Sports Massage. Mobility for Pre- and Post-Event with Steve Singleton. The intention of this course is to give therapists a thorough understanding of the differences and uses between active and passive stretching techniques, and their appropriate placement within the context of the massage therapist's role in an athlete's training program. Therapists can create measurable changes using an inclinometer for range of motion, included with your tuition, and extend their clients' healthy range of motion. In this course, we will learn how to integrate these mobility techniques into massage therapy sessions and customize sessions to the individual in their training cycle or as a part of their overall well-being. For more information and registration, go to the link in this post or tlcmassageschool.com.